Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix NurseWallet app not working. So let's get started. So to fix that, you have to follow these instructions. So here I'm taking example. Okay, so let us take this app is not working. So I will just click on here and then you have to click on this I button. It will open the app info. Same you have to do with the NurseWallet app. So then you have to scroll down at the last and then you have to click on the storage. Just click on clear data option, then delete it, and then you have to open it again. If it's worked, then fine. If it's not work, you have to check for the update. So you can directly check from your Apple store. If you are Android user, then you have to check from your Play Store, or you can directly search it on your web. So here I am using the Google. So at here I will directly search for NurseWallet app. So at here you can directly click on here, then you can update it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.